How to add contact forms to WordPress using a plugin. Want to make it easy for the visitor to reach you on your WordPress website? Adding a contact form is a perfect solution. Instead of just listing your email, a contact form looks professional and also help you to prevent the spam. The quickest way to add a contact form is with a plugin. There are tons out there, but for this tutorial, we will use a popular and a beginner-friendly option, Contact Form 7. First things first, head over to your WordPress dashboard, and this is how the WordPress dashboard look like. And if you are new to WordPress, simply go to www.wordpress.com and log into your account. Then you will be directed to this type of interface, which we call dashboard or my home. Once you're in the dashboard, you can see a lot of options in your left hand side. You can see it over here. From this option, tap on plugin, scroll down, and here you can see a plugin. Tap on it. So this is the marketplace of the plugin, from where you can buy and install the plugins. Now find Contact Form 7 over here, then tap on search button. So this is how the contact form will look like. Tap on it. The next step is to install. However, I am using a free plan, so this is not available for me. But if you are using an upgraded plan, you will see a install over here. If you tap on it, it will start installing, and after installing, this button will change to activate. It is not possible for me to show the installing process. However, I will guide you through the process about how to install it. As I said earlier, after installing it, this button will change to activate. After it changes to activate, simply tap on activate and it would be activated. Then you will see contact in your menu, which is somewhere over here. For example, Jetpack and WooCommerce are free plugins and you can see it over here. Just like that, you can see contact over here. Now you can edit that or create a new one by clicking on add new. You can use the default form, copy the shortcode provided. It looks like something like contact form 7 ID XXX title equals to and contact form in bracket. Now go to the page where you want your contact form to appear. Edit the page and simply paste the shortcode into the content area and then update and publish the page. And that's the way you can add the contact forms to WordPress using a plugin. That's it. Now visit your page and you should see your contact form live and ready for the visitor. Experiment with different plugins and form fields to find what works best for you. Let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. That's all for today's video. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.